We are focusing on DR Horton floor plans and neighborhoods. Hi, I am Jordan Breasseale with Live Love Brunswick. If you want to know everything about North Carolina beach living, then subscribe. Tap the bell below for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Brunswick County.
This is the Curtis plan by DR Horton in Stanbury Creek. This is 823 Shipley, and this is listed at $215,000, a little over $250,000. Let's go take a look. Okay, so you've got some storage in here. Let's see the neighbors. Love this red door.
There are sales centers in these DR Horton neighborhoods that you can just swing by and the sales representative will be happy to help you. They can answer all of your questions, but word of advice, you do not save any money not having a realtor represent you. So when you go into this sales center, you make sure to tell them that you saw my video, Jordan Breasseale. I would love to represent you, your interest at heart.
The styles of the front doors here in Stanbury Creek that they're choosing, the craftsman style. This floor plan is the same layout in the living room and kitchen as the as the Lewis and Perry, except your entryway is different. I love those windows. This home comes with the blinds installed. Nice, bright, open space for sure. Nice large kitchen. One of my objections to this particular floor plan and the other ones with a similar layout in the kitchen and living is the lack of dining space, a dedicated dining space, even though you can fit a small table here in the kitchen area, potentially, and or somewhere here in this floor plan, you can fit it right along there, maybe have your living situated over there.
Let me know your favorite DR Horton floor plan in the comments below. If you're curious about any other floor plan, I'll link my DR Horton floor plan playlist above. If you don't see the one that you are curious about, shoot me a text, leave a comment below, and I will go check it out.
The kitchen does have a pantry. And this is the backyard. You are gonna have a good size backyard, and you will have the houses behind you, but there's a good bit of distance for sure. And of course you could put up a privacy fence. But there's also a space in between, so they may be putting a berm of some sort up in between the property lines because there is some common area. I don't know if you can see the back property line of that house next door, and then the property line of the house behind it. There is some space there. So your land isn't adjoining. It doesn't butt up to that. There's some common area in between. Let's take a look at the primary bedroom. Nice and bright. Double sink vanity. They will be installing mirrors. You've got your vinyl rollout floors in here. Good size closet and a walk-in shower. The standard features in Stanbury Creek include the laminate countertops. In this phase, they include the laminate countertops, the rolled vinyl floor, which I happen to like quite a bit. And they are coming with blinds. Every home I've been in they've had blinds, and they're offering a $7,500 closing cost credit, I believe, right now. And DHI Mortgage is offering great interest rates. They have a 4 in front of them. If you're gonna be using the home as a primary home, I believe. That may apply to second homes too. Bedrooms are a little small, but these are the secondary bedrooms. And then you have your laundry room back here. Obviously, this home is still under construction, but thought I would give you a peek at the Curtis. Let me know what you think in the comments.
I am Jordan Breasseale with Live Love Brunswick. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I would love to help you out. Until next time.